Alright, this is the elevator at Herberger's at Midway Marketplace in St. Paul, Minnesota. It's a Montgomery Kone as well. Here's the indicator. Go to 2. I'm gonna go outside just so you guys could see how empty it looks. Entire store empty. Even this kids section. Even over there. It's all empty. It's gone for good. Let's go back down. Here are your fixtures. Kone fixtures, I think. Here's your ADA compliant phone. We're going to take it for one more ride. Here's your cab view. Really nice cab view. This elevator really reminds me of the Southdale location. There it goes. And as you can see, this store is closing. Most of the merchandise is right here now. Just as soon as it closes. That's it.